Good evening. It is Magnus Hellberg here at the Partners Trust with my daily dashboard update. Only today it's not from a dashboard. It is from Palm Desert, Rancho Mirage. I'm out here, I'm doing some business. We got a new office out here and I'm staying here for another day. So I'm reporting to you from here, and it's been beautiful today. It's kind of cool out here, about 75 degrees, dropping down to about 50s. Even below 50s at night. No rain yet. I'm supposed to have some rain, but no rain out here. I hear that it's raining though in Santa Barbara, and I think even in Calabasas and in Los Angeles at this point. Anyway, that's the story. And I just want to wish you all a great weekend. And that's it. From Los Angeles, from Palm Desert, from Rancho Mirage. Have a great weekend, everybody. This is Magnus.Hellberg at thepartnerstrust.com. Signing off for my daily dashboard update on November 16th, 2012. Have a great weekend, everybody. And I just came from the gym, so that's why I look like this. Okay? Goodbye.